What's going on, guys? Rafi here, and today I will be doing a tutorial on how to how to how to make a clone of yourself with simple video editing. Okay, here we go. First I will record myself doing clone things. Okay, well I guess I'll need to pause this while I record. Okay guys, I'm back now. So I've recorded it now. So now I'll just open my video editor of choice, Olive, because I'm poor and can only afford open source things. So here you go. So we need to import our recording things. So I'll just go in here and find it. Here it is. Okay. Well, we've got our amazing video. Will it load? Ah yes, it will load. Okay, so all I need to do is do some cuts, and I just kind of record it, and you can see I just kind of do things. Then I walk over to the other side and just sit there and do the same things, kind of interacting. And then, as you can see, my amazing walking. Now I'll just do some cuts here. You see, so. Oh wait, that's the beginning. Okay, anyway, so I'll just delete this. I mean, you can do this in any editor if it has cropping and feathering. So, yeah. Move on over here. Just gonna cut here. Okay. Just gonna wait for it to move over. Okay. I'll just cut out the last bit. There we go. Now just get this bit, move it, I guess up, this down the audio you see. Then just move it all to the left and do that. They're different lengths, but whatever. Then we just get the top one. You can see this one's playing over it, but we don't want that. So we get the top one. We do crop. Okay, why is that in that category? Anyway, just crop the right, and as you can see it has that terrible cut here because I'm recording in sunlight, which is pretty dumb of me, and my camera isn't very professional, so it's kind of noisy, but whatever. We can fix that by doing feather, you see. And now it's unnoticeable. They look like they're in the same room, so let's see how it looks. As you can see, the editor doesn't really play it back very well, so I'll just export it and then show it. Just do Control M if you're using Olive, and then you just export it. Clones to, I don't know, export. And I think your export set. Too lazy to cut this out. You know what they say, guys, small leads to a clean floor if you clean it afterwards because of the crumbs. Anyway, it's done now. So let's see how it turned out. They aren't quite looking at each other. But I mean, you can do it better than I did. This is my second tutorial I've ever done. That was that was that was enlightening. Anyway, this will be the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm not going to save this, but goodbye.